Alright guys, welcome to Shadow Skull Studios. It's Raeven Wolff. We're back in Sky Factory 4. Let me see one sec, my audio's messed up. Alright, let me see here. Alright. So, my headset is not working, so if there is a little feedback, I do apologize. Alright, so this episode we're going to work on making a computer, which seems pretty easy. Tiny teeth door and iron, so we need a lot of iron. Gold, redstone, paper, and what else? And that's a chest. And circuit board is gold, clay, and cactus green, which we can do. So let's go do that. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, so we need gold and a bunch of iron. Okay, gold is next. That's electrum. There's some gold. I need redstone. It's redstone. I think I have a redstone tree. Alright, let me see here. Got it. Shift click, shift click. Alright. So we have enough redstone. We have gold. Computer. Alright. I need a chest, which I have an extra one over here in miscellaneous. What's different? No. So wait, what's diamond? I'd rather do it with diamond. So hang on. Tier 1 is iron. Gold. Better use diamond for something, I guess. So here, let me see. Diamond tree? Yes. Okay. So now we are going to do the tier 3. Need iron bars. Unfortunately, I have to do 16 apparently. Chest. Should I just grab it? Alright, I need cactus green. And what's this one? Paper and gold ingots. Do I have leftover paper? I do not. I have cactus though. Diamond ship apparently. Let me see. Gold and that and paper. Alright, I think the one thing I'm missing really is paper. What did I do with my sugar cane? Nope. There we go. Okay, and hang on. Gearcase 3, microchip 3, transistor. Alright, I need diamond chips, so I need more diamond. Going ahead, because I don't want to have to do this all day. No, 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 no. There we go. Shift click. There we go. I somehow have one extra. Pew! Pew pew! Okay. Computer. Too much stuff. Okay. What's this? That's acorns. There we go. Okay. That is that. So now we go here, go here. Boom, 2 of them. Here, now we gotta work on this. Raw board. Alright, need clay. I should have clay resin though. Clay. How much do I need? 1. Okay. Okay. Alright. So all I need is that, which is 1 gold bar, cactus green in that. Alright. Have another furnace on me? I do not. So we're gonna make another furnace. Can we not do that? No, we're gonna go there. Actually, I'm gonna go with this water bucket. Put in the automatic lava. Ow, what? Alright, bring it. Give me your pants. Okay. We're, ooh. Did not finish it. Haha! Oh wait, I need one more. And here we go! Alright, this. Need 1 cactus, so we're gonna go put the rest back while that cooks. Goes to vegetables. Cause it's plant. Whoa! Savadas, die! Oh, went too far. Ha! What'd you do? Cool. Now, this. Hang on. Might as well cook all of them. Okay. Sheepies! Cows. Computer! I have no idea where I'm gonna put it. If I can get some more nether brick, I could probably build some more space. I'm probably build this is gonna be the laboratory. Okay. Oh, whoops, whoops. 2, 3, 5, 6. This 7, 8, then 9, and then... Okay. So we have a computer thing. Oh wow. Okay. Well, we made a computer case, so computer is open computers. Open computers manual, book. Alright, so I need leather and more paper. What if I still have my snad somewhere? Is it 2? Snad. We're gonna build a lever. There we go. Paper. That. Oh, wait, hang on. That. What is a trapped book? Hang on. Open computers manual. Microchip. Iron nugget transistor. Okay. Might have enough. And what was in the middle? A transistor? Wow, I got a lot of stuff. And then book. And 1 microchip. Q, take that, get rid of that. Now I have this. Yeah. It does robots and drones? Computers. Build a case screen. To build a screen? Oh no. Home. And a keyboard. The case is screen available in different tiers, providing different functionality. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we need to build a screen next. Screen. Tier 3. Obsidian. Blue stained glass, apparently. Glowstone dust and a microchip. So we just need blue stained glass? Wait, what? Where's glass? Which I have. Oh boy, this is alright, cool. We're getting close. We're getting close. Alright. Hang on. Put you there. I need 2 more you. Don't need that. That dirt can go back. We're not doing. Leather can go there. Alright, I need something. The glass isn't there. But what else do I need? Glowstone dust I need. Do I not have glowstone dust? I don't. So I have to go get glowstone dust, or hang on. What is this? Okay. Oh wait, hang on. There's a glowstone acorn. Wait, hang on. Energize the glowstone. Consumes the cast. Ooh boy, we're not gonna do that. Alright, hang on. Glowstone sapling. Mineral berries. Quartz resin. Hang on. Quartz sapling. Netherrack. A magma slime crystal. An emerald sapling, which I have to get an emerald sapling. A green slime crystal, which is green slimy mud. Which is dirt, sand, and congealed slime block, which is slime balls. Okay. So we're going from computers back to trees. Do I have slime? I have 1 slime. Okay. This got 20 times harder than I thought it was going to be. So, put the redstone up. Do I have another chest? I do. So we're going to put computer stuff here. Here, it uses bits of those, and that was that's the advancement book. Put that in there. We'll put some paper in there too. Okay. This got so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. Here, and that. Put the. Oh, it's full. Okay. So here. That can go there. Alright. Let's go. The other miscellaneous. Stone, which I don't need. Alright, the iron stuff is gonna go. No, the iron's coming with me because I need to upgrade my stuff or repair it. We need cobblestone to build with. We're gonna get some more donuts. Donuts! Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're getting where we need to be. But it's just there's so much. There's just so much. Okay. So we're going here. Tilde. It broken. There we go. Yeah, let me. Ardite I cannot get. I have to do this to the cobalt. I have to get cobalt stuff later. Oh, hello, Mr. Blaze. I need you actually. Ow. Alright, we're gonna tilde this. Alright, cool, we're on the other side. Oop, did not mean to do that. What'd I do? Escape. Escape. Oop, that's lava. Alright, we're gonna go back for now. It's fire. Okay. Oh, wow. I still don't see glowstone. I think that's what that is. I think I have to go up there. Which, I'll be honest, I just don't want to do. I don't know how high this goes. Ooh, I'm actually close. Ooh, that's not good, actually. We'll see, this float thing is coming in clutch right now. Okay, so we're just gonna be building with netherrack. No, stop jumping away. Just jump straight up and down. Straight up and down. Come on. What is this? Alright. Oh, alright, let's see if I can mine it. Ow. So close to dying. Oh, no, I can't see because of the fire. It takes so much of the screen. No. Ow. Stop it. I don't like it. I don't think I got anything from that one. I'm throwing it in water. Back! Ow, ow, ow. Why are there so many of you right here? Can you people not go anywhere else? Bring it! Ooh, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, eat. Eat. I will keep killing you if I have to. All I want is loot. All I want is to mine stuff, but you keep coming after me. And now, like, look, I'm just trying to build a computer. Oh, you know what? No. No. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Please. I'm so close. I just need to get that. I'm going to mine it. I want to figure out what that is. Because I need glowstone. Energized. What the? What did that do? Alright. So, energized netherrack does nothing. That is depressing. Alright. I still haven't found glowstone yet. I was looking at it. I am dumb. Okay. So we found glowstone. It was staring at me the entire time. So, we're going to go grab that after I repair my stuff. Nope, nope. Broken. Okay. Armor is okay. That's fine. Armor is fine. What we're gonna do now. Now we're going home. Bye. Pew. Okay. We have 51 quartz. I'll take the 51. Okay. What was it? A screen? Tier 3 screen. Might as well build it as high as we can go. Microchip tier 3. Alright, that's what we did. So glass. Need obsidian. We got some bacon and stuff like that. Alright. I forgot to make the tool forge. I forgot to pick it up, but that's fine. I don't need it right now. Alright, let's go get the microchip tier 3. We did it! Alright. I need to fix that. It's really annoying. Okay. So we have a computer case. Okay. Which is, we're just gonna put it here for now. Computer! Can't turn on. That's fine. What is it? Display screen? Large display screen? That's practical logistics, but we need open computers. What is this? Futura block. Okay. So we got that. Now we have to make a keyboard, which Alright, let me go make the keyboard. Keyboard. No? It's that. Those are arrow keys. What? Okay. How do you make a keyboard? I have to place it there. What? Okay. And keyboard. Extra screen facing the screen or placed directly on the screen on top. It's a QWERTY? Is that what it's called? Okay. Okay. Extra cells don't need home. Okay. So where is this keyboard at? Is open computers items? No. Okay, so I have to make a keyboard. There it is. It's just really dark. Button group, arrow keys, and numeric keypad. Hang on. Button. Okay. What's this? Button. And button. Okay, so I just need a crap ton of buttons. Okay, hang on. I have cobblestone somewhere. I'll use cobblestone. That's not cobblestone. I need stone to do it. Okay. There we go. Computer chest, we'll put those there. Keyboard. Keyboard. Yes! What was that? There we go. Now I need another geothermal generator. I don't have slime. But I think I can do it with normal slime. Slime? Alright, I need more blaze rods. I think I have one more over here. Is there a blaze tree? A glowstone sapling. I need mineral berries. Lapis and water. We have to do it. Because it's just so I can have it. No. Was it in tools? Yes, it was. There we go. That was weird. Okay. So, we have a mineral tree now. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for this part. Next time we'll finish up the trees. Well, not the trees, but we'll get a glowstone tree. So we'll have blaze powder, so I don't have to go like kill myself in the nether. And we have mineral, and like I said, we have computers. We have a case, a screen, and a keyboard. And the next part, we're gonna hook it up, and we're gonna see what we got. Alright guys, I'll see y'all again next time. Bye.